Hi everyone, today I want to do an unboxing of this Icon locking flex head and ratcheting bit set. It's a 35-piece set, and by the way, this set is going for $4 at Harbor Freight. Sometimes you can find deals on it, you know. And the model number is RXFT-35, and it shows you an example here and how the box will look. It tells you all the bits here, and if you want all, there you go. And it does come with a lifetime warranty, which is good. So in case, we break it or something, you could go and replace it. They won't ask questions. They'll swap it out. They'll ask your phone number. And that's it. So, and it was made in Taiwan. Okay, this is a small little guy. So it says it has a slim locking flex head ratcheting for hard to reach areas. Extension can be used to lighten the bit driver or be converted to a T-handle for added torque. Ooh, that's pretty nice. And it looks like, it doesn't say if it comes with a box. I'm pretty sure it should come with a box. I mean, it's showing it. But let's start unboxing this little guy real quick. So yeah, I got this for like $30. So we're having a coupon at Harbor Freight. And I decided to get this little guy since I wanted to get for the T, the T bits. Because sometimes some people don't do it, but I usually you get a wrench. It's better to grease it up, maintain it, If you want it to last longer, give it maintenance, That's the main reason why, it's better to keep things maintained, so at least at the end it'll last you longer. Some people don't maintain their things, and at the end, they're always crying like, why it didn't last long enough. Well, there's some things you have to keep maintaining, Okay, so here we go. So here's the little box that it comes in, and it says Icon, and that's pretty much it. There's no, that's a nice little box, and this feels like tough though. Yeah, so I'm guessing you don't push it. There we go. You just push it aside to open it up, and here we are. We got all our bits. And here's our little ratcheting part. Okay, so here's the button. If you press this button, it'll flex the head. So say you want to have it straight, or if you want to, do it like that, so you get a certain area. And, it's pretty nice. Here we got, where you want to switch it. You want to tighten it, loosen up, and look at that. You got a little spot. It's kind of thinking about it right now. Say you got a Phillips here, and you insert it here, right? And say you're doing two things. You need a Phillips as well. Well, there's one cool thing I just noticed. You could, have a bit here, and you could do it like this. You're working on, you're like, oh, I need to swap out. You pull this guy out, and you pull this guy out, insert it here, where you're gonna use it now, and this one, you can put it here, That's actually pretty nice. And go back to doing that, and oh, I need to go back to the other part. You swap out. There you go. So it's right there. Or, in case, say you need to get a little bit of leverage. You got the extension here, and you can insert it here. Hold on, give me a sec. There you go. Okay, so when you do this, you have to look for the little, since it has a couple dots here on the little extension. Let me see, focus. It has a couple dots there, right? So you gotta find the little dot on the wrench, and once you put the little dots on that specific spot, see they're matching up, it goes through, by the way. So there we go. And it gives you extra leverage, which is good. So let's say you're doing this, and you need that extra leverage, you can grab it. It's a T now, and you can loosen up the screw or whatever you gotta do. And also you can use it on your 1/4. You know, here we got a 1/4 adapter, you know, in case you want to do that. See, you put your little socket in, like, I don't know, 10 millimeter, and you want to loosen that thing, which is pretty nice. Also, another thing, you can also, you know, put it here, and it gives you more leverage. And you can do the same thing. You can have your extra bit in here, say there, and your other bits be right here at the end. You can have 2 of them, like the same way. Nice. That's pretty nice, honestly. You got 2 bits you gotta use to get something off, you know. But that is pretty nice. All you gotta do is put it back in, set everything where it was. Nothing holds it down, this guy. All you gotta do is just insert it here to the little gummy part. There's nothing holding it, see? Just a little gummy. And that, you know, it's holding by this, but, you know, all you gotta do is just sit it down there, and the gummy part just grabs onto it. It's a pretty nice set, honestly. You can use this for a lot of things around the house or around the shop. And like security bits too. Like, I bet you can open a battery like a Del Watt, a Hart, something with these. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's possible, you know. And it all stays in this one little tiny box. All you just gotta do when you close it, you know, it'll just, you know. But man, that's a nice little set. $40 is good, but you know, if you don't, you know, if you want to have one and you're not like in a hurry to get one, just wait for it when it goes on sale. And once it goes on sale, just grab one of these guys if you need one, you know. I just wanted more for the tea, you know, because there's some parts that, you know, that you need, like what I mentioned, like ratcheting. You know, some people like to grease them up. I like to grease them up. You use them a lot. You grease them, it'll last you longer, which that's what I'm planning to do here. And then it comes with a 1/4 socket here, which is pretty nice, you know. And man, this guy could definitely fit in a small area, you know. I mean, look at it. It's really small, you know, really small. And if you want the measurements, just in case somebody's out there wondering, let's see. We got a 5. We got a 5 with, if we include the hinge, you could say 2.5 if you want to include the hinge, because it's not grabbing the hinge. But it's pretty nice little box. I mean, it says its name icon, it's showing its name out there, you know. And there you go. And the box feels like really solid. It doesn't feel weak. So I don't know if it's drop resistant, but I feel like it could probably resist a hit if it falls off, you know, the cart or something. But yeah, and just in case, here's the model number, RXFT-35. And here's, in case you want to see the bits, we got all the bits here. And they're all organized and everything, which is pretty neat. So yeah, this, I would recommend this guy, honestly. You never know what you can use it for, and you know, you can use it as a ratchet or a handle, or extend it, you know, like say you want to get that one part, you know, and this guy will help you. Or somewhere around the house, you got something between 2 walls, like something in a tight little spot, like say for furniture, this guy will probably help you. It probably gets in that one little spot, say like maybe you use a Phillips there and building something in the house, you know, this guy will definitely be there. You know, you can use it. It gets in that little tight spot, you know, if you can't get there for some weird reason, or it's really tight squeeze, oh, you know, this guy will probably help you out with that. Or, you know, you could just add this extension here. See, like, you can, when you use an extension, you can insert it either way you want, either way you want to do it. But yeah, I mean, there you go. Just grab your Phillips. It gives you an extension, and it's like a small little ratchet, just, you know. Well, it is basically a small little ratchet, which is pretty nice, but just for bits. But yeah, overall, worth it. I would buy it. Just maybe wait for it when it goes on sale, in my opinion, and grab one. All right, well, thanks.